Alberton, I hope you are well. I'm introducing the new Mahindra XUV 3XO to you. The one on the floor is the AX7L. The AX7L is the top of the range one. So there's 7 different models. Okay, so you get the MX2, MX3, AX5, and AX7L. Okay, so the AX5L is discontinued. So in every model there's a manual and an auto. So this is the auto, the top of the range one. Okay, so let me take you through the car, and then I will introduce the different options on the car for you. So on the AX7L, you get 17-inch wheels. On the MX2, MX3, AX5, you've got 16-inch wheels. On the AX5, you've got also a mag like this. So this is the diamond cut 17-inch wheel that you precisely get on the AX7L. Okay, you've got the 360 camera with the level 2 ADAS system. So this is your level 2 ADAS system. So level 2 ADAS system, level 2 means without hands, without feet. So if your car is in adaptive cruise control, then this system is going to help you to drive the car. You also got a bigger sunroof on the AX7L. So on the MX3 and AX5, you've got a small sunroof. On the AX7L, maybe you can show the customers, there's a bigger sunroof. They call it a sky roof. Also, while we are in the car, this is leather seats. So on the MX2, MX3 and AX5, you've got material seats. We can do an extra fitment for you to do leather seats, but in the AX7L, you've got leather seats. You've got the automatic system on the gearbox. There in front, you've got wireless charging of your phone. And also to show the customers, on the AX7L, you've got the Harman Kardon sound system. That is very, very good sound system. Also on the AX7L, all the other different models of the cars, you get the boot size. The boot size is 364 liters. Here is also a cover. We just took it out, but here's a cover on top, so you can see the boot size. Here's the back camera, the reverse camera with the 360 camera system. If we go to the driver's seat, maybe you can show the customers the size of the body and the size of the car. Okay, so we have also a financial manager that handles all the applications of the finance. Her name is Lizelle. So you are more than welcome to come and visit us, and we will structure a deal for you and play chess so that we can get to the best deal what you deserve. Okay, and also what we have on the cluster of the car. So the cluster and the radio is electronically. So on the MX2, MX3, you've got a manual cluster with the radio, but on the AX5 and the AX7L, you've got an electronic cluster system. Also on the cluster system, if you use the indicators, it's giving you the blind spot. So from this camera on the mirror, it's giving you on the system on the cluster system, it's giving you the blind spot. So you don't have to pull your neck off to get to see the blind spot. Okay, so that's one of the nice features. On all the cars from MX2, 3, AX5 and AX7L, you've got electric windows. So when we get to the AX7L, maybe you can show the customers, you've got fog lamps on the AX7L. So on the MX3, MX2 and AX5, you don't have fog lamps. Okay, so on the AX5, let me just tell you that on the AX5 you've got a rear camera. AX7 you've got 360 camera, but we can install aftermarket camera for you on the MX2 and MX3. Okay, so on this specific model we've installed a bonnet cover for the chip so that your bonnet stays nice, but here you can see how it looks. Also on the engine size, of the AX7L downwards to the MX2, the body of the car is the same, the suspension is the same, the engine size is the same, and also the power of the engine. So you've got a 1.2 turbo inside the bonnet, 1.2 turbo. It's kicking out 82 kilowatts, And the one nice thing about the XUV 3XO Mahindra, it's very low on fuel. Okay, very low on fuel. It comes from factory as 15.1 kilos per liter. So it all depends on how you drive, but the car is very low on fuel. Also, a positive thing, the safety of the car. It's a 5-star NCAP rating of the XUV 3XO, and it's got 6 airbags. So on the normal small cars in South Africa, you got 2, maybe 4 airbags, but on the XUV 3XO, you got 6 airbags. So it's a very, very safe car for you and your family. So guys, this is the Mahindra XUV 3XO. There's 7 different models, just to recap. Very safe car, very low on fuel. So if you need any assistance, you can come and visit us at Mahindra Alberton. You will see us. We are 3 salespeople on the floor. It's me. My name is Gert. There's David. And there's Isaac. And our manager, Marco Kleinans. So you are more than welcome to come and visit us. So we're looking forward to see you. Thank you.